This is Doug from DougCooks.net. Delicious. Today we're going to do a basic rice pilaf. Okay, we worked on risotto before, but I want to show people. You know what? Scratch that. Hold on. I was going to make pizza for dinner tonight, but let's see what we can do as using the pizza as sort of the canvas for leftovers. What do you think, Pat? Is that a good idea? Okay. Why don't you run around here and meet me at the other fridge? Hi there. Okay, so what do we have here? Got some salmon. Got some olives. Got some roasted peppers. Okay, let's see how this will get us going here. Okay, so let's get rid of this other shit. It's going to measure out some rice, but that's going. Oh, I got shallots too. That was going to go in the rice pilaf. No rice pilaf, pizza. All right, let me get my pizza paddle. Boy and his paddle. All right, so turn this up. All right, that's going. All right, so we get our toppings ready for the pizza. Grab my knife, chop these up. Get our roasted peppers. So we'll do roasted pepper, shallot, olives, just black olives. A couple black olives. All right. Now, most people don't make dough. You know, if you don't have the time to make dough and you got some frozen in the freezer and you want to get rid of leftovers, this is an ideal way to do that. Got some nice cheese here from our risotto. And we got our salmon. There you go. Does anybody know what that white stuff is called from the salmon? It's called albumin. Albumin. Say hi to Al. It's a useless information there. Okay, so we're going to flake up we got a little red pepper. Ooh, I need cheese. All right, so got a little bit of mozzarella. We don't want a ton of cheese on this. Got a little mozzarella left from last night. All right, so put that over here. Throw that there. Okay. Get some flour going here. It's almost up to temperature. Okay, so this has been out for a little bit. Be delicate with your dough. Oh, there we go. Good. Get rid of that. That, throw it on the floor. It doesn't matter. Okay, so when you get your dough ready, you want to make sure you got your crust here. You get your little barrier here. See that? You want to make that, and then we'll flip it over. Do the same thing. So you got a nice crust formed here. You'll go through the middle. Turn it, go through the middle again, do the same on the other side. Boom, just like that. Just like that. Okay? Just define that crust like that, and you'll have no problems. So what you want to do is stretch this. Get your hands formed like this, and just stretch it. If your dough has been kneaded properly, you should have no problems. As you can see. Yeah, looks good. Now I need this by hand. There's no big mixer here mixing my dough. It could be painful. Ah, that looks good. One more stretch here. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Now we're going here. Okay? Now, when you put your dough down, give it a little shake. Make sure it moves. If it's not moving, throw a little flour underneath here, and you'll be able to launch that onto your pizza stone. Okay. Now I'm using my top oven today because it heats up quicker than the bottom one. So anyway, okay. So what we're going to do, some extra virgin olive oil. This is all off the cuff, gang. Extra virgin olive oil, some herbs de Provence, a little bit of herbs de Provence, a little French herb there, a little marjoram, a little thyme, a little lavender, a little roasted pepper. That looks good. Maybe a little bit. I might as well use it all up. Don't want leftovers. Waste not, want none. Okay. A little bit fresh shallot. Not to be mistaken with Jean shallot. Those who know Jean shallot. Obscure reference there. Okay, throw that in there. A little bit of black olive. Now you don't have to go crazy with all sorts of toppings here. You know, just make it your own. And then just going to flake this salmon. Make sure your salmon is fully cooked. Now you could use smoked salmon on this too. That will work well. There we go. You know what? I'm not going to waste any of this. And Jack, you're not getting any of this. He's sitting there watching me. He's no dummy. Okay. Your salmon. Okay. Rinse off my hands here. Yes, I know, Jack. Okay, a little bit of crushed red pepper. And let me wipe this down for a second. Don't want to be a mess here. Okay, so just cube this up. Boom, done. Okay, so a little bit of cheese. A little bit more olive oil. Okay, I think that's good. So, leftover dough, leftover salmon, leftover olives, leftover shallots, and whatever else you might have in the fridge. Okay, so that's our pizza, and it's going in to a 550 degree oven. Bang, done. See how it tastes? In a little bit, we'll be right back. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. That is a thing of beauty, huh? It's getting there. Another minute or two. Well, I'm back. And I've made an incredible mess in this kitchen. Today, we're doing a pizza. We were going to do rice pilaf, but we ended up doing this pizza with leftovers. So, you got pizza dough in your freezer. You made it. Or, you know, you bought it. Whatever. You want to get rid of stuff out of your fridge and you don't want to throw it away? Make a pizza. Okay, let's see how this is doing. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty, is that not? Wow. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, it is done. Look at that. Salmon pizza, roasted peppers, shallots, fresh mozzarella, olives, and lastly, one thing. A little bit of hot pepper too. And lastly, a little bit of capers. Get you in your Christmas mood there. Now I'm going to finish that with a little bit of Pecorino Romano. I just like Pecorino Romano. It has a nice little bite to it. And a little bit of garnish here. A little bit of garnish. How's that look? All right. The real test is how does it taste? Get this off here. Get that over there. Turn this oven off. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hear that? Hear that? Yeah. No crackly noise. That's a good sign. Okay. It is hot, but it's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Oh my God. Get a little bit of the salmon, a little bit of the savory of the salmon, a little bit of the crunch from the shallot, a little sweetness. Get a little bit of the bitterness from the olives and a little bit of the saltiness from the capers. It's really good. Okay. I gotta be alone now with my pizza. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Visit my website, dougcooks.net, dougcooks.net, and like and subscribe these videos if you do. If you don't, well, shame on you. Manja. You. And you. And you. Manja. Thanks.